Hey everyone, want to create AI animations with Pika AI? In this video, I'll show you how to turn ideas and images into animated videos step by step. First, open the Pika AI website and sign in to your account. Click Create *** to start a new animation project. Next, choose *text to video * or image to video, depending on how you want to create your animation. Now write a detailed prompt describing your animation. Include the character, movement, background, animation style, and visual effects you want. If you are using an image, upload it and describe how you want the image to move or transform. Next, adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, quality, and style if those options are available. Click Generate * and wait while Pika AI creates your animation. Once the animation is ready, preview the result and make changes to your prompt if you want a different style or movement. After you are satisfied, export the video and use it for social media, presentations, or creative projects. And that's how you create AI animation with Pika AI. With creative prompts and the right settings, you can turn simple ideas into impressive animated videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.